Hey everyone, welcome to Health Prudent. We are back with another interesting and quite an important topic for you. Today we're going to talk about 10 oils that help you to fight wrinkles naturally. Before we get into the video, please be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out when we upload new videos. And make sure to watch until the end to discover in detail how using certain oils helps you to get rid of wrinkles and makes your skin smooth and beautiful. Without further delay, let's jump into the video. As age increases, our skin starts to break and lose its elasticity, which results in wrinkles. And we notice fine lines appearing on our face, around the forehead, eyes, and mouth. Since it is a natural process, you cannot stop it, right? People usually use commercial products to reduce wrinkles, and you might have also tried one. However, let us tell you that some essential oils can help you reduce the appearance of wrinkles on your face. Amazing, right? So let's start discussing the amazing benefits of those 10 oils that can help you fight your wrinkles. Number 1. Sandalwood Oil. Studies have found that sandalwood oil contains anti-inflammatory properties, and additionally, it can help restore your skin's moisture. And it is worth noting that when your skin is adequately hydrated, it will appear plumper and reduce the appearance of wrinkles as well as fine lines. Number 2. Lemon oil. You most probably know that lemon is rich in vitamin C, and it is also beneficial for the immune system. But let us also tell you that several companies use lemon oils in their commercial skincare products to reduce the signs of aging, including wrinkles. Researchers claim that lemon oil reduces the damage caused due to oxidation, and it also prevents sun damage. However, you need to avoid sun exposure for many hours after using this oil since it makes the skin more sensitive to sunlight. Number 3. Rose oil. This oil is prepared from the most romantic flowers of the world, and it can brighten up dull and aging skin. Rose oil can stimulate the flow of blood to your skin, which will encourage a youthful complexion. Moreover, this beneficial oil can also improve collagen production, which is incredibly important to make your skin looking younger. Number 4. Argan Oil. This oil is produced from argan fruit trees, and it combats the drying effects that aging causes on your skin. This eventually helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles as well as improve the elasticity of your skin. You can also use argan oil on cracked heels. Using argan oil will surely encourage a more youthful appearance. Number 5. Cary Sage Oil. Did you know that the thinnest part of your body is the skin around your eyes? Well, the first signs of aging appears in this area. Using Cary Sage Oil will help reduce sagging around your eyes. Moreover, this essential oil comes with astringent properties which enable it to reduce dark circles and fine lines too. Number 6. Carrot seed oil. The initial signs of premature aging are often caused due to sun damage. And while we recommend that you wear sunscreen, you can also prevent your skin from the impacts of environmental aging by using the carrot seed oil. This essential oil contains carotenoid as well as flavonoids that help to prevent inflammation as well as regenerate vitamins E and A. These vitamins protect your skin from sun damage as well as other free radicals and repair damaged skin. Number 7. Frankincense Oil. When you age, your body stops regenerating new skin cells. However, frankincense oil can reverse this process and encourage the growth of new skin cells, which will significantly reduce wrinkles. Furthermore, this essential oil addresses sunspots, age spots, boosts elasticity to the skin, and tightens your skin, and evens out the skin tone. Number 8. Eung Ylang Oil. Although this oil usually uses its perfumes, researchers have found that Eung Ylang contains antioxidant effects that could aid the renewal of your skin. This essential oil was explicitly found to rebuild the proteins and fats of the skin while also reducing the number of free radicals. Number 9. Pomegranate Oil. You love eating the delicious pomegranate, right? But did you know that the essential oil prepared from this delicious fruit can prevent the formation of wrinkles on your skin? Pomegranate oil contains high amounts of antioxidants that protect your skin from free radicals and encourage the regeneration of new skin cells. Moreover, the presence of vitamin C in this essential oil means that it can stimulate collagen's production, which eventually improves the elasticity of your skin. Number 10. Rosehip Oil. This oil is extremely rich in gamma-linolenic acid, essential fatty acids, oleic, and vitamin C. Prepared from the seeds of the rosehip plant, rosehip oil prevents any premature signs of aging by boosting the production of collagen. It is worth mentioning that these oils will help you to reduce the appearance of wrinkles significantly. They will not eliminate your wrinkles entirely. Moreover, don't forget to dilute these oils in a carrier oil such as olive oil, almond oil, or avocado oil before applying them to your skin. We would recommend that people with normal skin apply 6 to 15 drops of essential oil per 1 ounce of carrier oil, while those with sensitive skin should use 3 to 6 drops of essential oil. Other ways to fight wrinkles include using moisturizers, lotions, and face masks, staying hydrated, and avoiding smoking. So let's summarize what we discussed here today. Essential oils are the best alternative to those anti-aging creams available in the market. The best thing about these oils is they help you fight wrinkles naturally. All these oils help your skin in 2 ways. Firstly, they provide antioxidant support that controls the activity of dangerous free radicals, in turn reduces their effect on your skin and helps to keep your skin wrinkles free. Secondly, these oils help to restore the moisture on your skin and in turn improves your skin's appearance. Thanks for watching the video. Hope this helps you a ton. Please do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss more videos of health, wellness, health tips, homemade remedies, nutrition, healthy eating, and much more. And I will see you soon with another interesting and quite an important topic for you. Till then, stay healthier.